Hi, I'd like to tell you about this NAD Plus. I received this as a gift from Koalatree so that I could use it and try it and give you my opinion about it. And if you're anything like me, I had been doing my own individual research on NAD and the different benefits that it can provide. What I found in my research is increased energy, and just kind of increased mental clarity. And I thought that that was pretty cool. And so I was looking for an NAD Plus supplement, which is why I want to tell you about this one. This one is 1100 milligrams, plus it has the resveratrol in it, and it also has the liposomal component to it, which makes it easier to absorb. So this is what they look like. It's your standard average white capsule. Very easy to take. Let me show you. They're easy to swallow. At least they are for me anyway. Went right down. They don't really taste like anything. They don't smell like anything. So I really like that. And then if it's important to you, which I know it is to a lot of people, this is third-party tested. It is vegan and non-GMO, and I like that it's kind of this jar instead of the bottle. I think that it's just a lot easier to open and get into it. This is a 30-day supply, and I just think this is a really good one with the resveratrol, the liposomal component, and they're easy to take. And I am excited because of what I discovered on the research on NAD+. I'm excited to take this. Thanks.